Hi there! Today we will delve into multiplication. Let's get started. First, let's understand multiplication as repeated addition. Multiplication is simply a way to add a number to itself multiple times. For example, the equation 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Instead of adding 3 5 times, you can multiply 3 by 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15. It's much quicker and simpler. Properties of multiplication. Multiplication has some important properties that make it really useful. Let's explore them. The commutative property. This property states that the order in which you multiply two numbers doesn't change the result. For example, 4 times 5 is equal to 5 times 4. So 4 times 5 is the same as 5 times 4. Both equal 20. The associative property. This property states that how you group numbers when multiplying doesn't change the result. For example, open parentheses 2 times 3 close parentheses times 4 is equal to 2 times open parentheses 3 times 4 close parentheses. So both equal 24. The distributive property. This property shows how multiplication interacts with addition. In this example, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Here, 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 times 5 is 15. And then 12 plus 15 is 27. So both answers are equal 27. The identity property. Multiplying any number by 1 gives the same number. For example, 7 times 1 is still 7. The zero property. Multiplying any number by 0 gives 0. For example, 9 times 0 is equal to 0. Multiplication facts and tables. Knowing your multiplication facts and tables is essential for quick calculations. Let's take a look at the multiplication table. Learning the multiplication table helps you quickly find the product of any two numbers from 1 to 12. For example, in the row for 4 and the column for 6, you'll find that 4 times 6 equals 24. Long multiplication. Long multiplication helps you multiply larger numbers. We'll use the example 23 times 45. Step 1. Write the numbers in column and multiply the ones digit at the bottom number by each digit of the top number. So 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Write down 5, carry over 1. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 that carried over is equal to 11. Write down 11. So 23 times 5 is 115. Step 2. Multiply the tens digit at the bottom number by each digit of the top number and shift 1 place to the left. This second digit of the bottom number is in the tens place. So even though the digit is only a 4, its value is 40. This is 10 times bigger, so the answer should also be 10 times bigger. So before we multiplying, we should put a 0 in the first digit of answer. So we putted 0. And now 4 times 3 is 12. Write down to next to 0 and carry over 1. Then 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 carried over is equal to 9. So 23 times 4 is 92. Shifted 1 place left, which is 920. Step 3. Add the partial products. So now we add 115 and 920. 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 plus 9 is 10. So the answer is 1035. Practice these steps, and soon you'll master multiplication. Thanks for watching.